any man that's looking for a job
You could call up Panasonic
for free.
for free, but it gets way better than this. There are organizations that do this. There are organizations that help find jobs. What they have is mamish like a Shatran idea. They have lists of people who are looking for jobs, and they have lists of all the local jobs,
That are
and they have the
available.
names of the people who would hire. They also place in every kehillah someone responsible that this kehillah, anyone in this kehillah, if they're looking for a job, they would go to their local representative.
Right.
So they have placed in each kehillah, in Belz, in Satmar, in Puppe, in Vision, in each kehillah in Monsey, they have representatives that know who needs a job. And then they have from the back end of their office, they find jobs appropriate. Now,
Meaning they don't just dump you with names and numbers of available jobs. They make sure that it's suitable for you.
that's right. So many times organizations would call up a company and say, this person's looking for a job. They may get bored by now of hearing, I don't need to hear more names, you're sending in any loyitzlech,
Right.
But what they do is they actually built an unbelievable reputation that companies trust them now, and companies call them. So what he's actually trying to do and to get the word out, not just for people to call him when they need a job, he wants the word out to the companies that they should call Panasonic that they're looking for a worker, and they would get good ones because they do good shidduchim. They've
So
got a
not
good
o-
reputation for doing good shidduchim.
I would assume if they're doing good shidduchim, they're probably interviewing each one.
And they're interviewing each one.
And they're going
Both
through their
ends.
skill set, what did they like.
They do dating coaching, if I may use that term.